Wow!
Hello, children. I have a story to tell you.
Please tell us and make us happy.
Hello. Our story today is Who Ate the King's Dog? Monkey says that it is only the child inside his belly that she can vouch for. So once upon a time there was a king that had two wives, and each of the two wives had two children, and he built a hut for each of them. Each wife lived with her children. And the king had a dog that he loved very much. The king also loved the second wife very much because she was beautiful, and everything that she wants, he gives to her. One day the king traveled, but he did not go with his dog. He left the dog behind. Unknown to them, this second wife was feeling very jealous of the dog. She even felt that the king loved the dog more than he loved her. So when the king traveled, it was her opportunity to do harm. So in the night, this second wife and her children went and lured the dog, the king's dog, to their hut and killed the dog. They cut up what they could eat. They cut it up and they cooked it and ate in the dead of night. And then they carried the carcass and went and put it in the bush behind the first wife's house. Later, when the king returned, everybody rushed out as usual to come and greet him, but the dog was not with them. The king asked them, "Where is my dog?" Nobody knew. Everybody said they hadn't seen the dog.
So the king started searching. Said, "Everybody, let's go and search for this dog." And they searched and searched until they got to the back
of the first wife's house. And they were shocked to see the carcass, the dead body of the dog, what was left of it, behind the first wife's house. She was shocked like every other person. The king said, "Whoever did this must pay for it. You did it. You killed my dog." The woman said, "I did not kill your dog. I love your dog. My children, we all love your dog. Why will I go to kill your dog? You know that bitter cola does not like shameful things. I cannot do this to you." The second wife said, "If she did not kill the dog, why is the dog behind? Why is the dead body found behind her house? She is the one that killed the dog." The king didn't know what to do. He knows that the first wife is a very truthful woman. She's kind and truthful and could not have done it. But then the second wife he really loved, and whatever she says, he always obeyed. He always believed her. But this time he didn't know what to do. The king said, "Oh, that is why monkey says that he can only vouch for the child inside the belly. You cannot vouch for any other child." So he said, "Well, this is beyond me. We have to consult the oracle of Oji River, River Oji." So he sent for the priest that was in charge of River Oji, and the priest came. And he told him that after he told him the story, the priest said, "Okay, we will all go to the banks of Oji River and make incantation that anybody that killed or ate that dog will die. And if you did not kill the dog, your life will be spared." So they all marched, everybody in the king's household, the king, his two wives, their two children each, and the servants, they all went to the bank of River Oji. When they got there, the king was the first. He said, "I will go." So he did the incantation that the priest gave him, that if he's the one that killed the dog, let him die. If he's not the one that ate the dog, let him spare his life, because River Oji will not kill an innocent person. So he now sang the song.
Oji o, oji o, oji o, oji o, oji o, oji o, sabu mulila nunkito jigi bremo, sabu melira nunkito jigi ramo, oje na Muhammadu nankiti, oje na Muhammadu nankiti.
After singing the song, he entered the river and crossed to the other side of the bank. And then he came back again to them. Nothing happened to him. So he now told the second wife, you go. The second wife said, no, I can't go. Let the first wife go. Let her go. So the first wife went. She sang the song, the incantation. After singing, she crossed to the other side. Nothing happened. She crossed back again. Nothing happened. Her two children, her two sons, they all did the same thing. Sang and crossed over. Came back. Nothing happened. Crossed and came back. Nothing happened. The chief now said, okay, second wife, you now go. She said, no, she can't go. Let her son go first. Let one of her sons go. So she told the son, when you are singing the song, you have to change it. Say, if I'm the one that ate the dog, let me be spared. If I'm the one that killed the dog, let me be spared. If I'm not the one that killed the dog, let me be spared. So the son now started singing.
Ojio, 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 Samariza. Ojio, 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 Samariza. Abu mulila nunkito jirapumo, Samariza. Abu melira nunkito jirapumo, Samariza. Ojeli na Muhammadu nankiti, Samariza. Ojeli na Muhammadu nankiti, Samariza.
And said, oh, if I'm the one that ate the dog, let me be spared. If I'm the one that did not kill the dog, let me be spared. The king said, what rubbish is that? Will you stop that and sing exactly what you were told to sing? So the son now sang the correct song. That is, if I'm the one that ate the dog, let me die. If I'm the one that did not kill the dog, spare my life. And then he entered the river. As he entered, Oji just opened her mouth and swallowed the boy. Wow. Then king said, second son, you do the same. Reluctantly, the second son also went in. He sang the correct thing. If he's the one that ate the king's dog, let him die. If he's not the one, let him be spared. And he entered, and the Rivoji opened her mouth and swallowed him. Then the second wife started crying and pleading. She's innocent. He said, yes, you are innocent. So go and do the test. Go and cross Oji River. Take the oracle. So she now went and she sang, oh, if I'm the one that ate the dog, spare my life. If I'm the one that didn't kill the dog, spare my life. The king said, no, sing the proper lyrics. Sing the proper thing you were told to sing, the incantation. So she now sang that if she's the one that ate the dog, let the river swallow her. And if she's not the one, let it spare her. As soon as she entered the water, Oji opened his mouth
and swallowed her up. And she died. She and her two children were never seen again.
The king now apologized to his first wife and told her, from now on, I will never bring in another woman to say that I have more than one wife. You will be my only wife. And they all lived happily ever after. Chapi! War. Now the moral of this story. 1 is that false witness, you should not bear false witness against anybody. Just like this second wife said that it was the first wife that ate the dog, which was a lie. And then the second one is that jealousy is very bad. You see, because of jealousy,
envy, the second wife could not trust that the king loved her
and went and killed the dog and ate the dog. So envy is very bad. Chapi, war. The preservation of Igbo language and culture is a task that must be accomplished.